Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an online consulting service with Clarity.fm. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start your online consulting service with Clarity.fm, visit the Clarity.fm website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. You can sign up using your email or link an existing Google or LinkedIn account. Once registered, complete your profile by filling in your expertise and background. Add a professional profile picture to enhance your credibility. Set your consulting rate, ensuring it reflects your expertise and market standards. Create a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Use clear and engaging language to describe your services and what clients can expect. Now, define your availability by setting specific times for consultations. Make sure to connect your payment method to receive payments easily. Once your profile is set up, explore the platform to understand its features. Consider offering an introductory call at a reduced rate to attract your first clients. Promote your consulting service through social media channels and professional networks. Engage with potential clients by responding to inquiries promptly. Track your performance using the analytics tools provided by Clarity.fm. Gather testimonials from satisfied clients to build your reputation. Continuously update your profile with new skills or achievements. As you gain experience, adjust your rates accordingly to reflect your growth. Stay active on the platform to increase your visibility among users. Follow up with clients after sessions to encourage further engagement. Keep refining your approach based on feedback and client needs. Establish yourself as a reliable consultant by consistently delivering value. With dedication and strategic promotion, your online consulting service will thrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.